Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 68 registered Mini Countryman Cooper S. Now this is the petrol engine, so super on the brake horsepower, lovely through the power band and super car to drive. Now this car is finished in the light white paintwork, so very light white, and then has the black roof, black mirror caps and all the black exterior detail. So if you're in Land Rover land, you'd call that a black exterior package, but a super car throughout. Sat on the upgrade 17-inch black alloy wheels. Now they are a factory option. I've listed all the options in the advert, so when we checked out on HPI the build of the vehicle, you can see there that it's got a couple of £1,000 worth of factory options when it was new. Now the car itself has got a full mini service history, last serviced in 22, but a wonderful car. This is the new model and the white light paintwork is in super condition throughout. Minimal stone chips around this car, if any. Our detailers will touch them in with a very fine pencil, but what a beautiful looking car. Now when you look down the sides of the vehicle, it's been truly cherished. It's not got any trolley dents or anything like that. All the wheels are in fantastic condition, being the black wheel, and the car itself does really sit well all the way round. Now the vehicle is spacious, a great family vehicle these. The boot itself, you can see that black plinth on the number plate trim. We get a super-sized boot there, capable of carrying anything that a family has, and then it's a twin boot floor so you can drop down as well, and it's like a shelf there. Reverse parking sensors on this one, satellite navigation, some very nice features. Driver's side mirrors that of the passenger and is in high gloss finish and has no real marks or trolley dents on the vehicle. Now let's have a look inside, because this has got the racing interior, which is very nicely finished off. So the black sports seats with the checker flag detail and up the centre of the base and then up the backrest, and then lovely contrast stitch throughout. A very nice environment to be in this. Got the grey and silver shadow line throughout, but a wonderful car. So the grey detailing follows through the doors. 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. We've got the Mini Cooper S sill plate. Seats height adjustable as well. Automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, onboard computer, cruise control, speed limiter, to say but a few. Next service there, 15,000 miles October 23. We've got the full shebang down the middle, so all your controls for your satellite navigation and everything is there. So you can press the menu and that'll give us a vehicle status, which is what you want to see. So if we go across to the service history there, so the last service was on the 31st of May 22. If I press that one, it'll tell us what it had. So it had an engine oil service, a microfilter and an air filter. So it's all documented there throughout the car's life, and you'll see that this number here is 8622, and then it was supplied by the dealer 8622. That's the mini dealership in which the vehicle was supplied. So that's nice, isn't it? Now we've got the sat nav, which is the inboard satellite navigation. We've got the media player, so you can use DAB, Bluetooth phone, communication, everything's there. So we've got everything. Air conditioning, and then you've got traction control and a USB and a 12 volt there. 6-speed manual transmission. When I select reverse gear, we then get the parking sensors are also there on the rear, as you can see. 27,835 miles as we do the video today. So nice low mileage, a wonderful example. Obviously you've got the mini excitement where you can change the center color of the screen there, depending on how you want to drive, but the seats are extendable as well for long distance travelling. But a wonderful comfy sports seat, light grey roof lining in lovely order. I don't smoke and I can tell this car has not been a smoker's car. Still smells fresh and new. So a lovely low mileage example, full mini service history, some very nice factory extras. In the rear of the vehicle, if you have children, we've got the ISOFIX seats, we've got electric windows, we've got 2 more 12 volt USBs there for iPhones, iPads, so you can play with your games, etc. as you're on a journey. But what a great car, in super condition. 68 plate, new model, light white paint, sat on upgrade black wheels with external black detail, black roof rails, black mirror caps. Wonderful car to drive, 2 keys, all the books are there, everything that was there when it was new is still available today at 4 years old. So if you'd like any more information on this, give us a call at Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham, we've got Dom and we've got Lee on sales. We're the Alpha team, we'll help you in any way we can. If you'd like to reserve this and come and collect it on the same day, we take a £250 fully reservation deposit, he says. That will prepare the car through our workshop so that once you come on the day, you can drive away at the same time. Have a look at our reviews, have a look on Facebook, see lots of customers who've done exactly what I'm suggesting. Reserve with us and then collect from us. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.